All right, Halloween is tomorrow, but there is still time to put together a last-minute, family-friendly, spooky soiree.
Yes, and joining us with easy and festive recipes you can put together in little time is mom blogger and lifestyle expert Maggie Jackson. Maggie, great to see you.
Great to see you.
Really great.
Yes,
this looks fantastic.
Halloween is scary, but not these recipes.
Okay.
They are so easy to put together last minute. Your entire family will love them. And I just love that most of them are semi-homemade. So you buy some things that are already made and kind of just assemble it, make it spooky, make it fun. Everyone will love.
But not too stressful.
But not too stressful at all.
All right, let's start with the chips and the, is it Frankenstein guac?
Yes, this is a Frankenstein-inspired layered dip. We have a taco seasoned creamy base with pico de gallo, and then Frankenstein made out of guacamole. And I took some cookie cutters and used them on the tortillas to make some little Halloween-inspired crisps. We have pumpkins and bats and ghosts there too.
All right, next we have candy corn fruit cups.
Yes, all the colors of candy corn. We have yellow, orange, and white with pineapple, with mandarin oranges and whipped cream, and then top it with some candy corn. It's a nice little sweet treat.
That looks really sweet. Actually.
Yes, it's very sweet. Yes, but you're getting your fruit, so that's good. That's good.
This looks complicated.
Yes, these are so cool. These are my favorite. They are banana Nutella mummy wraps. And you use pie crust and you cut it, you wrap it around banana and Nutella, and then I got these little spooky eyes in the middle to make them look like a mummy. So that is a delicious treat.
That's really good.
Yeah, good. Wow. I'm glad you love it.
And you're going to do like a little demonstration.
Yes.
These are really pretty. Witches' hats?
Yes, these are cheesy crescent witches' hats.
That's fun.
You get crescent rolls at the store and you take a cheese stick and you just roll it up a little bit.
Okay.
I cut stars out of pepperonis to add kind of some little witchy flair. And then you put that in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. And when it comes out, it's nice and gooey and cheesy. You can dip it in pizza sauce. You can also eat it cold too.
That's all you have to do?
That is so easy, right?
Wow, that's like incredibly easy.
And it looks like a witch hat.
And what is this dough again?
This is crescent roll dough from, Pillsbury.
That's pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and I like these. I think these are
Yes, these are so fun. And these are Rice Krispie treats that are monster themed. And you can make the Rice Krispies yourself, or you can cheat even more, make it even more simple by buying the Rice Krispie treats already made, dip it in colored chocolate, add the little eyeballs, and it doesn't have to be perfect. That's what's great about Halloween is if it looks a little odd, that makes it even more spooky.
So colored chocolate, did you color the chocolate?
Yes, so I got
white
coloring,
chocolate.
put it in white chocolate, stirred it, dipped it in, we added some sprinkles, all the different shaped eyeballs, make it a little fun. And
okay.
All right, this next dish, you call this graveyard trifle.
This is the graveyard trifle. So at Smart and Final, I went to their bakery section. I got some chocolate bundt cakes and broke it up, layered it with pudding and whipped cream, and then got candy and cookies to decorate the top to kind of create a little graveyard. So again, semi-homemade. I didn't have to do any baking at all, and it's ready to go.
That's very creative with the graveyard.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Fun. And I was telling you earlier, this punch that you're talking about, I think my mom possibly did this in the 90s.
Yes, we were saying everything sugar, 80s, 90s, and this is a spooky Halloween punch made with orange sherbet, orange soda, and pineapple juice. And the chemical reaction with the soda and the sherbet kind of creates this bubbly look to make it very spooky, but also very sweet and perfect for your trick-or-treat sugar high.
So if you have it there, you just do like a little scooper?
Yes, you have a ladle and
Also known as a scooper.
Yes.
A ladle, of course it's called a ladle.
Yeah, you can put it in
I'm like a scooper.
All right, so of all this, which one does your kids like the best?
I think they like the Rice Krispie treats the best. Yeah.
Probably so.
And they fight over the colors, and they're the most fun, and they're easy to make for them too.
Yeah.
All right. For more on these last-minute Halloween recipes for kids, go to Maggie's website, and of course you can follow her on Instagram as well as TikTok.
Yum yum.